group, HomeBest devotes to make your home better. Do you want to know what the production process is for the extension sockets you use every day? I'll take you through the production line. There are 10 production lines in our company, and this is one of them. You can see that there are 20 workstations on the line, all of which are working very hard, each responsible for a different production process. In these stations, in addition to the basic assembly work, there are also product power-on tests and secondary quality checks to ensure better product quality after the assembly of the finished product. The quality of our products cannot be guaranteed without an efficient management system. After the finished goods have been inspected and boxed, they are counted and placed in the finished goods warehouse. All products are stacked neatly, labeled accordingly, and entered into the computer system. There was a container to be loaded today, and we watched the supervisors checking the figures very carefully. Before loading the container, the person concerned will calculate the loading method in advance to ensure that the space is fully utilized in an environment where sea freight costs are so high. Thank you for your watching. We will continue to show you the factory in next video. Welcome to follow our official website hbsocket.com. You can see HomeBest's newest information on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. See you!